What's the meaning of bouncebackability? Bouncebackability. Bouncebackability.
Bouncebackability. Bouncebackability. Bouncebackability is a term used to describe the ability of an individual or a team to recover from setbacks or defeats and return to a winning position. It refers to the resilience, determination, and mental toughness required to overcome adversity and achieve success. Those who possess bounce-back ability are able to learn from their failures, adapt their approach, and bounce back stronger than ever before. This quality is highly valued in sports, business, and personal life, as it allows individuals and teams to persevere through challenges and come out on top. Ultimately, bounce-back ability is about turning setbacks into opportunities to grow and succeed.